my dear friends. I'm so happy you're here on my channel today. We're making 2 super crispy, juicy, and delicious fish recipes that will wow your taste buds. For our first recipe, I have 2 boneless fish fillets. You can use any fish you like. Just make sure it's fresh and boneless. I've washed them and drained extra water. Now, I'm cutting them into finger shapes. Not too thin, not too thick, just perfect for that crunchy bite. While I'm cutting, I'd love to hear from you. Say hi in the comments, and let me know which fish is your favorite in your country or culture. I'm excited to read all your responses. Here's my secret ingredient, 1 tablespoon mayonnaise. It makes the fish juicy and helps the spices stick perfectly. Add 3/4 teaspoon black pepper, salt to taste, 3/4 tablespoon garlic powder, 3/4 tablespoon paprika, and 2 tablespoons chili sauce for that perfect flavor kick. Mix and let it rest for 10 minutes. Now let's prepare the coating. In a pan, melt 1 tablespoon butter and add 1½ cups of breadcrumbs. Roast them until golden and crisp. You'll hear that perfect crunch sound. Set aside to cool. In separate bowls, gently beat 2 eggs. While I'm doing this, I'd love to hear from you. Tell me in the comments, what's your favorite dipping sauce for crispy fish? Set it aside and keep 1½ cups of plain flour ready. Time to coat the fish fingers. First, roll them in flour. Then dip in the beaten eggs. And finally, coat in the golden breadcrumbs. The flour helps the marinade stick, the egg makes it bind perfectly. And the breadcrumbs give that crispy, golden crunch we all love. It's the secret to restaurant-style fish fingers at home. Fry them until they are crispy, golden, and perfect. Fry in medium heat so the fish cooks evenly inside while the coating stays golden and crunchy. Avoid overcrowding the pan. It keeps the crispiness intact. Garnish with fresh coriander or parsley. And if you're watching till here, comment crispy loves so I know you're enjoying the recipe with me. Serve with tartar sauce and enjoy. These are better than any fast food fish fingers. Alright, now that our first recipe is ready, let's move on to the second one. For our second recipe, we're making crispy spiced fish strips. Start with the batter. 1/2 cup chickpea flour, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, salt to taste, 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, and a pinch of baking soda. That tiny pinch of baking soda is really important. It helps the batter become lighter and gives the fish a beautiful, airy, crispy texture when fried. Mix, then add water slowly to form a smooth, thick slurry. I like to add a pinch of food coloring to make the batter look bright and appetizing. Cut your fish fillet into strips. Dip each strip in the spiced batter and fry until golden and crispy. The result is crispy outside, juicy inside, and packed with flavor. Perfect with a dip or on its own. And there you have it, friends. 2 incredible crispy fish recipes that are fun, easy, and absolutely delicious. Try them at home. Enjoy with your favorite sauces and share your experience in the comments. If you loved these recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to never miss any tasty creations.